Welcome back to the channel, viewers. Once again, I'll have to apologize for the long delay between videos. I have a lot of things doing, so sometimes I may do the videos and not get the opportunity to edit and upload. Anyway, today I'm going for a long walk. Won't be doing a lot of talking in the video, but at the end of the video, as usual, there will be some cooking. So sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Thanks. I'm wondering what this is. I'm trying not to make the video too long. We won't be uploading all the materials. Like I said, there will be some cooking at the end of the video, so yeah, not telling you what the menu is. Watch the video to the end and give me your opinion. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So yes, my viewers, welcome to the cooking segment. Once again, it's gonna be one of those videos that is done indoor in the kitchen. And as most of the people on the channel know, I don't eat meat, but my family do. So today I decided we'll be doing some curry lamb. So in that bowl over there you can see the lamb and seasoning the rice in that little bowl there. All-purpose seasoning, and as you know, if you've been watching my channel, I don't use salt. Get the salt from the all-purpose seasoning, bit of black pepper, not putting too much, curry powder, the onion, garlic, spring onion, this would be much better if you season it overnight. But this curry is not half as strong as my better pot curry. It doesn't have that lovely yellow color that I would like. Few grains of allspice berries or pimento seeds. I'm gonna crush them to release the oil. Put a little bit of thyme, now we're going to transfer the lamb. Gonna cover that for about 7 minutes. Going to peel my potato. So now I'm going to add some hot water. Normally I would use some coconut milk. Now this is going to take a bit of time to boil down. As you understand, the lamb is a bit hard. That's just some bell peppers, a sweet pepper. So for the rice, it's approximately a cup and a half of rice, and I would say this water maybe almost 3 cups of water. Gonna add a little piece of spring onion in the water. And I'll cover the rice there now. The curry smells really lovely. Really like the scent of curry. Thing is, I won't be able to taste it because I don't eat meat, but I know it will be lovely. I know the kids would love it. Well, everyone's going to enjoy it. I'm going to add a little piece of margarine to the rice. That's margarine that we use a lot in Jamaica. You know? Yeah, I know some of you would be looking at it and saying, I think I've seen that package somewhere. I guess you're thinking about that Liverpool second jersey. Come on, don't tell me you don't. Yeah, not much of the margarine, just a little piece. Yeah, rice looking nice. I really shouldn't open the pot. Whenever you open the pot, you release the steam, then the water goes down. Look at that. Yeah, look at that.